I was at a place before I owned my own unit, and then I rented it to a young lady. And what the young lady did, she in fact sublet. She boxed up the place, and when I look and I said, "My goodness," and she getting like 60,000 or so for them. They do makeup, all sort of thing,
Yeah.
massages, and everything like that. And the income she's getting can pay whatever rent, plus getting more than 150,000 for the space. And there
That's
are a lot of opportunities because when you take up the classifieds and for places to rent as well, you can look at it, do a little fix me up, and there are a lot that comes out like in the Sunday Gleaner. And then you actually lease the property and either Airbnb it or you use it and sublet it out.
Yes, I have heard of people who on the residential side they rent like a 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom apartment and then use that apartment now for Airbnb.
Exactly.
And the Airbnb money pay back the rent plus give them a profit.